Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create glow effect in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select this image. And hit open. Cool. Now hold Ctrl and plus button to zoom in the image. Position the object though holding spacebar and left mouse button. Perfect. Take the pen tool. And select the object like this. Cool. Now hold Ctrl button and hit enter for select the object. Hold Ctrl and minus button to zoom out the image. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the selected part. Right click on this layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now hit Ctrl G to groups the selected layer. Select the layer and hit Ctrl J to duplicate the same layer under Group folder, then go to Blending Options and choose Linear Dodge. Perfect. Now go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Here increase the blur radius to 5 pixels. And press OK. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the same layer. Double click on this Gaussian blur to open the blur options. Increase the blur radius to 100 pixels. And press OK. Again hit Ctrl J to duplicate the top selected layer. Also double click on this Gaussian blur to open the blur options. This time increase the blur radius to 250 pixels. And press OK. Perfect. Close the group folder and see the preview. Cool. Now select the bottom layer. Go to Adjustment Layer Options. Here choose Color Lookup. Open the 3D LUT file options. Here select Moonlight Look. Cool. Now select Mask Layer. Take the brush tool. Make sure our foreground color should be black. Then masking on face and shoulder like this. Perfect. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.